Okay, we're here on the boat. Here we're coming to the Ambassador Bridge, heading west. Lots of trucks waiting to go into Canada. They're just sitting there, so hopefully Canada will clear them quickly. Andrew's driving here. He's the captain there. And we have a few more hours before we get home.
Hey, good day. Yesterday we had a little trip on the Detroit River. We went 20 miles up the river against the current with the wind, and then we came back with the current but against the wind, and we had a lot of fun. You'll notice here a fan going. That's because we're drying out. One thing that this boat tends to do is it rises with the wave, comes down. Sometimes it burrows into the second wave. Sometimes it makes that one. And if you've got enough of a wave, you dig in on the third one, and the water washes and tends to come in over that low coaming. My first attempt was to make a coaming extension. I'm going to lay this out here. This is just some naga hide. And my first attempt was this here, which is about 18 inches or so. And with snaps, just had it snapped to the door on this side and snapped here. Yesterday we were finding that's not adequate. The water was rolling under, and we're also still getting some above. So what I've done is I'd add a little flap in the bottom. You're going to see in a minute where I tucked under this mat, and it keeps it from washing up there. And I added a 4-inch extension there. So let me put this on and then I'll show you. This is the coaming extension installed. So I'd say, I didn't measure it, but I think that's about 22 inches high. And it snapped in 3 places. That's a snap down there that I put accidentally in the wrong spot. But the original snaps, and there's the extension, the extra 4 inches. And underneath here is a flap. This rubber mat tends to stay in place. It bites into the carpet and it stays. But this flap right here, it's just a little extension to keep things from going underneath. Yeah. Let me go inside, and I think I can step over this. Yeah, everything got a little wet inside. We had only a couple times we had some waves come over the top and under the bottom, but here we are. This is now tight. We were getting some coming around here still on a big wave, and we're still getting splash and spray over the top. My wife is 5'2", so this is the limit. I might have put it up there for me, and what I like to do is I like to stand here, hand here, the throttle set. We're going a nice steady for economy, go 6 miles an hour, and we just cruise along like this. The spray has got the windows all wet, so you can't see anyhow. So if you close the door, yeah, we could do that, but the door's folded there. You just can't see. So that's a little experimentation we're doing here.